Good morning, students. Now here start chapter number 2, the origin and evolution of the Earth. In first chapter study, we studied about the geography as a independent subject. Now here the what is geography? Here the description of the Earth is geography. So here the start the origin of the Earth. Here start in this chapter origin of the Earth. So first of all, here the origin of the Earth. The firstly, here the earlier Immanuel Kant tell about the origin of the earth. Immanuel Kant gives the theory about the origin of the earth. Immanuel Kant belong to Germany. After this, in 1796, Laplace amended this theory of Immanuel Kant. Laplace amended the theory of Immanuel Kant, and Laplace give the theory nebular hypothesis. This theory is known as nebular hypothesis of Laplace. In this theory, Laplace say that the planets were formed out of a cloud of material. The planets Earth is a planet. Earth is also a planet. So planets were formed out of a cloud of material associated with a youthful sun. This is time of the youthful sun, and which was slowly rotating. Here the nebula is the cloud. The cloud of material slowly rotating. The cloud of material slowly rotating. ठीक है? And formed in planets. This time is here the youthful sun. तो क्या हो रहा है इसमें? Then here the youthful sun. The time is then here the youthful sun. This time here the cloud of the material slowly rotating and convert in the many planets according to nebular hypothesis of the Laplace. And second here in 1900, Chamberlin and Moulton. The theory of Chamberlin or Moulton, the planetesimal hypothesis of Chamberlin and Moulton, given in time 1900. Clear? A wandering star passing nearby sun. A wandering star. Here considered this sun, and one here the another star whose star have the more gravity from the sun, and due to this gravity of this star, here the then this star passing nearby sun, then here some part of this sun separated. Here the reason, the gravity force of this star. Some part of the sun is separated from the sun, and this separated part, then this star passing away, the separated material in cigar shape. This cigar shape, ये separated जो मेटल सेपरेट हो ना, इसका शेप कैसा है? cigar shape. ठीक है? And start to moving around the sun. Clear? And continue here the moving around the sun. Then this condense, और ये cigar नुमा material इसका क्या होता है? Condense and convert in planets. Again here, a wandering star passing nearby sun. Due to gravity force of this star, a cigar-shaped extent of material was separated from the solar surface. Solar surface से क्या हो रहा है? Cigar-shaped material separate from the solar surface. What was the reason? Here the reason of the gravity force of this another star. Then this star passing from nearby the sun. Clear? And the passing star move away. जो passing star कहाँ चला गया? Move away. Distance लाने दूर चला गया. अब ये जो मिड में जो मेटेरियल है ये क्या करे? तो ये मेटेरियल क्या करने लगता है? Move around the sun. ठीक है? तो cigar shape material separated from the solar surface continued to revolve revolve है ना, move नहीं करेंगे, continue revolve around the sun, revolve around the sun, and it slowly condense into the planets, and then here the condense and convert in the planet, and earth also a planet. Clear? यानी planet यहाँ से बने और earth is a planet of sun. तो here the origin of the earth according to Chamberlain and Moulton. तो वापस देखेंगे, देखो इसमें क्या हुआ कि ये सन और नियर बाय सन, हियर द हुल स्टार, इसका ग्रेविटी फोर्स सन से ज्यादा है, और जब नियर बाय सन से ज्यादा तो यहाँ से सेपरेट क्या हो रहा है, सिगार शेप मटेरियल, और देन दिस स्टार मूव अवे, तब ये दूर चला जाता है, तो ये जो सन सरफेस से अलग हुआ था सोलर सरफेस से, ये मेटल क्या कर रहा है, रिवॉल्व अराउंड द सन, देन कंडेंस एंड कन्वर्ट इन द मेनी प्लैनेट्स. Clear? And origin of the earth according to Chamberlain and Moulton. Now the theory of Otto Schmidt and Carl Weizsäcker. In 1950, Otto Schmidt and Carl Weizsäcker. The theory here, Otto Schmidt belong to Russia and Carl Weizsäcker belong to Germany. This theory is nebular hypothesis, and this theory nebular hypothesis amended by the Otto Schmidt and the Carl Weizsäcker. According this theory, here the sun is surrounded from the solar nebula. The sun is surrounded from the cloud. This cloud of hydrogen, helium and dust particles, that is called the solar nebula. Here they call the solar nebula, and here the processes, then this process here the friction and the collision. क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे, then here the friction and collision in this nebula. फ्रिक्शन का मतलब और collision से मतलब जो टकराना होता है एक दूसरे से, ठीक है ना, that is here the friction and the collision and in this nebula. And what here, then this nebula convert in the flat disk shaped cloud. And here the many processes, many processes on all these processes are in a word accretion, ठीक है, accretion process, then here formation of the planet. वापस से देखेंगे, एक बार देखना क्या हुआ. Then here the amended nebular hypothesis by the Otto Schmidt and Carl Weizsäcker in 1950. Otto Schmidt belong to Russia and Carl Weizsäcker belong to Germany. Clear? According to this theory, the sun is surrounded from the solar nebula. Or this solar nebula have the particles of in solar nebula, here the hydrogen, helium and the dust particle, and here the friction and the collision in solar nebula, hydrogen, helium and dust particle in this nebula, and here the friction and the collision. Then this nebula convert in the flat disk shaped cloud. This solar nebula convert in the flat disk shaped cloud, and here the after many processes, and all these many processes are here then one word called accretion processes. Then here the accretion processes convert formation of the many planets, and also a planet. This process, this theory is this hypothesis is Otto Schmidt and the Carl Weizsäcker. This hypothesis given by the Otto Schmidt and the Carl Weizsäcker. Here the main word is accretion processes in flat disk shaped cloud. Then here convert for many planets, and Earth also a planet. All these theories about the origin of the origin of Earth.